Get your business listed on Google with these simple steps. Go to business.google.com. If you already have a Gmail, you're already registered. If you don't, you need to. In the top corner, add location. I'm going to add a single. Type your business name. Choose a category. This part's super important. Not everybody has a physical location. If you are a virtual store or a Shopify or something like that, click no. In my case, I do want people to visit, so I say yes. For a new neighborhood, this can be really difficult to pinpoint the map, but she sent me a GIS so I can find it really easily. We do not have a house number for this community yet, so I'm just using the road. Now it will let me drag the marker to figure out exactly where it should be. You just take the little dot, move it around. It's right after Langdon Road, so that's where I'm dropping it. It's going to ask if you serve outside of that area as well. And how do you want people to contact you about this? So we've already got it registered. Now we're adding details. Add your business description and an eye-catching photo that helps people understand what the product is about really easily. They give you examples, but you need to make your own. It could be a logo, cover photo, additional photos, whatever you want, as long as it makes sense. Hopping over to Canva. These are the sizes you need. Screenshot. 720 squared pixels. I created a couple of options for the customer to choose from, but this is my fave. Uploaded that to Google. They're going to try to sell you on some ads. Just skip that. Continue. Bam! You are listed on Google. Now I'm going to recommend you create a post and add some more photos. Okay, now I want to embed this map on the web page. So I'm going to view on maps. Click share. This window will pop up. Click embed. Copy HTML. Embed the HTML code into the backside of the website. And there you go.